Using 35mm film in a Holga 120 involves loading the film with an adapter. I bought this adapter from eBay for about $5, and unfortunately I don't remember the vendor. They could also be 3D printed. The adapter kit contains 3 pieces. 2 fit on the film cassette and the other is a take-up spool. They install like this, and the loaded film looks like this. Before putting on the back of the camera, be sure to tape over the red window. I taped over both the inside and outside. The final modification is to mark the film winding knob in some manner so you can measure the amount to advance the film. I used a backing paper from a roll of 120 film and determined that advancing the film 1 1/2 turns would be about correct. This was also easy to keep track of while using the camera. When the roll is complete, you cannot rewind the film into the cassette. You must unload the film in the dark. This wasn't difficult. I just cut off the film where it came out of the cassette and loaded it right onto a Patterson tank reel and then placed it in the Patterson tank ready for processing as you would any other roll of film. After processing, I measured the frames and the spacing. The frames are 56 millimeters and the spacing varied, with the minimum and the most consistent distance being 86 millimeters from start to start. So the film is advancing 57 millimeters per turn of the winding knob. Given the imprecision of the winding, I'm not willing to try for a 1 millimeter spacing between frames. So the next roll will be advanced 1 1/4 turns for about a 15 millimeter spacing between frames. These are some of the images I took. The TX400 or Tri-X film in bright sunlight, processed in HC110 dilution H for 8 minutes. The Holga was set to cloudy setting, which is about f8 according to the best guesses on the internet. I believe my Holga tends to underexpose.